Every year, thousands of businesses shut down, not because their product was bad, not because they had no customers, but because they ran out of cash. In fact, studies show that 82% of business failures are caused by poor cash flow management. 82%. That means most businesses don't die from competition, they die from an empty bank account. Today, I'm going to show you the cash flow secrets that separate businesses that survive from businesses that thrive, no matter what the economy is doing. Stay till the end, because secret number 4 alone could save your business. Welcome to Mighty Creations, where we turn complex financial concepts into simple, actionable strategies for business owners like you. If you're new here, this channel is dedicated to one thing: helping you build a financially strong, sustainable business. Now, before we dive in, quick reminder. Everything I share here is for educational purposes only. Always work with a qualified financial professional for your specific situation. All right, let's talk cash flow. There are 7 secrets I'm going to cover today. Each one is something most business owners either don't know or know but ignore. Let's fix that. Secret number 1, and this is the one that shocks most people. Cash flow is not the same as profit. You can have a profitable business and still go broke. Let me say that again. Profitable and still broke. Here's how. Imagine you make a $50,000 sale in January, but your client pays you in April. Meanwhile, you still have to pay your team, your rent, your suppliers every single month. Your profit looks great on paper, but your bank account is empty. This is called a cash flow gap, and it kills businesses every single day. The fix? Start tracking cash flow separately from profit. Look at your bank account weekly, not just your income statement. Cash is oxygen. Profit is food. You can survive without food for weeks. Without oxygen, minutes. Secret number 2. Know your cash flow cycle. Every business has a rhythm. Money comes in, money goes out. The question is, do you know exactly when? Most business owners don't. They just check their bank account and hope for the best. Here's what you need to do instead. Map out your next 90 days. Write down every payment coming in and every expense going out, date by date. This is called a cash flow forecast, and it's the single most powerful financial tool you can use as a business owner. When you can see 90 days ahead, you stop reacting and start planning. You'll know exactly when you'll have surplus cash to invest and exactly when you need to be careful. No more surprises, no more stress. Secret number 3. The 3-account system. This is simple, but almost no business owner does it, and it will completely change how you manage money. Here's the system. Account 1, your operating account. This is where all revenue comes in and all business expenses go out. Day-to-day operations only. Account 2, your tax account. Every single time money comes into your business, transfer 25 to 30% straight into this account. Don't touch it. That money is not yours. It belongs to the tax authority. Treat it that way from day 1. Account 3, your profit account. This is where you pay yourself. Transfer a fixed percentage, even if it's just 5% to start, every time revenue comes in. Why does this work? Because it creates structure. You always know where your money is going. You never accidentally spend your tax money, and you actually pay yourself, which is something most business owners forget to do.
Secret number 4, and this one alone could transform your cash flow overnight. Fix your payment terms. Most business owners are too scared to ask for money up front, so they invoice after the work. Then they wait 30 days, then 60 days. Then they're chasing clients while their own bills pile up. Here's what to do instead. First, charge a deposit up front. Minimum 30 to 50% before you start any work. This is standard in most industries. If a client refuses, that's a red flag. Second, shorten your payment terms. Instead of net 30, try net 7 or net 14. Most clients will pay faster if you simply ask. Third, offer an early payment discount, something like 2% off if paid within 5 days. It costs you a little, but it brings cash in fast. Fourth, use automated invoicing. Tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks send automatic reminders so you don't have to chase anyone manually. Control when money comes in, and you control your business. Secret number 5. Build your cash reserve. This is your business emergency fund, and most businesses don't have one. The rule is simple. Keep enough cash in reserve to run your business for at least 90 days, even if zero revenue comes in. 90 days. No revenue. Still surviving. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds impossible, especially if you're just starting out. So start small. Aim for 30 days first. Then build to 60. Then 90. Here's how. Every month, transfer a fixed amount, even 5% of revenue, into a separate savings account that you do not touch unless it is a genuine emergency. Why is this so important? Because when slow months hit, and they will, you won't panic. You won't make desperate decisions. You won't have to take bad clients just to pay the bills. A cash reserve doesn't just protect your business, it protects your decisions. Secret number 6, cut expenses strategically. Note the word, strategically. This is not about cutting everything, it's about cutting smart. Here's what to do. Once a month, sit down and go through every single expense in your business, every subscription, every service, every tool. Ask one question for each one. Is this making me money, or just costing me money? If it's not directly contributing to revenue or operations, cut it. Most businesses are shocked to discover they're paying for 3 or 4 software tools that do the same thing, or subscriptions nobody uses anymore. The second part of strategic cutting is this. Never cut expenses that generate revenue. Your marketing, your best team members, your core tools. These are investments, not expenses. Cut the fat. Keep the muscle. A simple monthly expense audit can free up thousands of dollars a year. Money that goes straight back into your cash flow. Secret number 7. Review your cash flow every single week. Not monthly, not quarterly. Weekly. Here's why. Problems in cash flow don't appear overnight. They build slowly, week by week. If you only check monthly, by the time you see the problem, it's already a crisis. Set a recurring appointment with yourself every Monday morning. 20 minutes. Look at 3 things. 1. What came in last week? 2. What went out last week? 3. What's coming in and going out in the next 30 days? That's it. 20 minutes a week. And you will always know exactly where your business stands. The business owners who survive economic downturns, slow seasons, and unexpected crises are not the luckiest ones. They're the ones who saw it coming because they were watching the numbers. All right, let's bring it all together. Here are the 7 cash flow secrets that keep businesses alive. Secret 1. Cash flow is not profit. Track them separately. Secret 2. Know your cash flow cycle. Forecast 90 days ahead. Secret 3. Use the 3-account system. Operating, tax, profit. Secret 4. Fix your payment terms. Upfront deposits, short terms, auto-invoicing. Secret 5. Build a 90-day cash reserve. Start with 30 days. Secret 6. Do a monthly expense audit. Cut fat, keep muscle. Secret 7. Weekly cash flow review. Every Monday. 20 minutes. These are not complicated strategies. They don't require a finance degree. They just require consistency. Pick one of these secrets and implement it this week. Just one. If this video gave you value, please hit the like button. It helps this channel reach more business owners who need this information. Subscribe to Mighty Creations for more content like this every week, and drop a comment below. Which secret was most useful for you? I read every single one. Build wealth. Think bigger. See you in the next one.